We are going to simplify logarithmic expression in this video. This is part 5 of logarithm exercise 4.2. Let's get started. The expression is log base e a cube b cube divide c cube log base e b cube c cube divide d cube log base e c cube d cube divide a cube minus 3 log base e b square c. So how can we simplify this one? First, in first term here is log e a cube b cube c cube. We know once log a b, it means log a plus log b. Similar, log a by b, it means log a minus log b, right? So here is also similar thing, a by b, it means in division log e, here is a cube b cube minus log base e c cube. So same thing will be happen in next term. It means log base e b cube c cube minus log base e d cube. Same thing third term also, plus log base e c cube d cube and then minus log base e a cube. And here is also same thing like log ab, it means 3 log base e b square plus 3, here is log base e, we can write this one in below, otherwise it's not looking good. Here a cube, it means minus 3 log base e b square, and here is plus 3 log base e c. Okay, so first step done. It's a critical step. Next, this one is looking log ab, so we can write like log base e a cube plus log base e b cube minus these 3 will come in front, it means 3 log base e c. How? We know log base a b c, this case c will be in front, log a b. Next, this one is looking log ab, so plus log base e b cube plus log base e c cube minus this 3 will come in front, so 3 log base e d, and here is plus same, this one is log ab, it means log base e c cube plus log base e d cube minus this 3 in front, so log base e a. Now minus these 2 will multiply with 3, it means 6 log base e b plus and minus, it will become minus, then 3 log base e c. Okay, so long terms in here. Now these 3 will become 3 log base e a plus 3 log base e b, then minus 3 log base e c plus 3 log base e b plus 3 log base EC, then minus 3 log base ED plus 3 log base EC plus 3 log base ED minus 3 log base EA, and finally here is minus 6 log base EB minus 3 log base EC. Now we are find out which one can subtract. First we have to try A. Where is next A? This one also A. Look, 3 log base EA, and here is also 3 log base EA, so this one out. Now B, this one is B, this one is B, so 3 log base EB, and here 3 log base EB, so and here is minus 6 log base EB, so 3 plus 3 it will be 6, and here is minus 6, so this one, this one, this one out. Next we will find out C. This is C, this is C, and here is C, and here is also C. So look, 3 log base EC and plus 3 log base EC, so minus and plus out, and here is also plus and minus out. And finally here is a minus 3 log E base D, and here is plus 3 log base ED. It means this one also out. So finally we get 0. Very interesting math, big math but small answer. So finally we get our answer, which is 0. So after this we are trying to solve part 5 of logarithmic expression, where we are going to simplify and already simplified. So no more today. Thank you very much for being with me. My channel 𝐒𝐢𝐦𝐩 International. Hope you will subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.